Maira and Mum. How are you all guys? Today we are going to read The Farmer, His Son and the Donkey. This English reading book is from class 2. The Farmer, His Son and the Donkey. Lesson 2. One day a farmer and his son were going to the market with their donkey to sell it. The donkey plodded on in front, while the farmer and his son walked behind.
Plodded on. What is the meaning of plodded on? You can see
Like-
here. What is here?
It's like walking slowly.
Yes. So while reading, बच्चों को सेंटेंस के साथ आप मीनिंग्स भी समझा दे so that उनको हमेशा याद रहे इसका मतलब. Next. Very good.
Behind. They had gone just a short distance when a woman called out to them, "Why are you both walking? Your son could ride on the donkey." The farmer told his son to get on the donkey and they went on their way. When they had walked a little further, some old man shouted to them, "Why is the young boy riding while his father is walking? It's horrible. Young people are not thoughtful nowadays."
So you can see the meanings for horrible and thoughtful. Here, what is horrible means? Very bad. Thoughtful means showing that you care for others. Okay, next.
Alright, quickly the farmer told his son to get down and he climbed on the donkey.
Whenever you see a comma or a full stop, just give a pause for a second or 2 seconds, right? Yes. Remember these things.
He climbed on the donkey. They had not been going for very long when two old women shouted at them, "Look at that selfish farmer on the donkey while his poor son trails behind." Sighing,
Shine. मतलब?
shying means like
Yes, taking a long breath.
Shying, the farmer told his son to get up behind him, and they went on their way. A little further along the road, they met a gang of boys. The boys made fun of the farmer and his son. "Look at you monsters! You are making the poor donkey carry such a heavy burden. You should carry the donkey," they said. Now the farmer made the donkey lie down. Then he tied the animal's feet together. He got a long pole, but put it between the donkey's legs, and then he and his son carried the donkey upside down. The donkey was heavy. As they came to a bridge, the farmer stumbled and fell. The donkey slipped into the river and soon he drowned. The farmer said sadly, "From now onwards, I will make up my own mind about the right thing to do. You can't please all the people all the time."
What is the story all about? You read the story, right? Can you explain me? So once the story is done, ask your kid what they have understood so they can explain their own version. No matter English में grammar mistakes हो या sentence सीधा से वो frame ना कर पाए, but still ask them what they understood. So इस तरीके से उनकी English भी improve होगी और उनकी जो grasping power है रीड करते हुए उनको जितना समझ में आया वो हमको पता चलेगी. Can you explain the story? What is all about?
So the story is about like anyone says like you say.
No, I'm not telling you the moral. Story क्या है?
Story क्या है बोलो तो?
मतलब क्या पढ़े आप story में? What is the story all about?
I'm going to explain the story. One day, the farmer went to the market with his donkey and his son
Okay.
to sell the donkey. So he was walking with the donkey. His son was also walking. So some old woman shouted, "Hey, why are you walking? Your son could ride the donkey." She told. The farmer told the son to ride the donkey. So the son went up and he sat and he was riding the donkey. So some old man, he shouted, "Hey, you can ride the donkey. Let your son walk," he told. So he told his son to get down quickly. So the son came down. And again one more woman shouted, "Hey, look at you selfish farmer. The poor boy is walking." The farmer told the son to get behind him. So they both went and they met a gang of boys. The gang of boys told, "Hey, look at you monsters. You are making the poor donkey carry such a heavy burden." So the farmer took the animal's feet and tied them on a long pole, and he kept it on his back and he was carrying him. It was such heavy when they crossed the bridge. When they crossed the bridge, it was so heavy that the farmer slipped. And then the donkey fell in the river, and then the farmer said sadly, "Nowadays I won't listen to anyone. I'll make up my own mind," he told sadly.
So what is the moral of the story?
We should do our own thing. We should think our own thing.
Yes, you should first think before listening from other. People will say too many things to you, but you should think whether it is correct to you or whether it is wrong. Okay?
Okay.
So I hope you all
I
have
want
learned something from this
guys.
video.
I want 1 lakh subscribers, so please subscribe.
Okay, so I will be sure.
If you subscribe and then comment down below, done.
So I will be sharing the notes soon, the exercises and everything which is listed here. Hope you all have a good day. Bye bye.